The air hangs thick with the sweet scent of sugar and cream, a tantalizing aroma that instantly transports you to a world of sweetness and delight. Giant stainless steel vats gleam under the fluorescent lights, standing like silent sentinels of a bygone era, their polished surfaces reflecting the dedication and hard work of generations. This is no ordinary factory. It's a time capsule, a living museum where the past and present coexist in perfect harmony. For 50 years, this Korean ice cream factory has been churning out happiness, one scoop at a time. Each batch is a testament to the skill and passion of the workers who have dedicated their lives to this craft. Stepping through its doors is like stepping back into a simpler time, where the pace of life was slower and the joys were found in the little things. The rhythmic hum of machinery blends with the laughter of workers, their faces etched with experience and pride. It's a symphony of sounds that tells the story of countless hours spent perfecting their craft. There's a palpable sense of history here, a deep respect for tradition that permeates every corner of this magical place. Every piece of machinery, every tool, has a story to tell. This is the story of their dedication, their craft, and their enduring love affair with ice cream. It's a labor of love that has been passed down through generations, each one adding their own touch to the legacy. It's a journey through time, a celebration of the simple joys that have united generations. From the first taste of a creamy scoop, to the shared smiles of family and friends, ice cream has always been a source of happiness. Let's explore the magic within these walls, where every corner holds a piece of history, and every scoop is a tribute to the timeless joy of ice cream. The year was 1975. Park Chung-hee was president and Korea was experiencing rapid economic growth. Amidst this change, a small family-run ice cream factory opened its doors in a bustling neighborhood. It was a time of hope and optimism. People yearned for simple pleasures, for moments of joy amidst the changing landscape. The factory, with its promise of sweet, creamy treats, quickly became a beloved local institution. Over the years, the factory weathered storms, economic downturns, political shifts, and changing tastes. Through it all, it remained a steadfast presence, a symbol of comfort and consistency in an ever-shifting world. The factory wasn't just a business, it was the heart of the community. The journey of their ice cream begins far from the factory floor. It starts in the lush green pastures where cows graze peacefully, their milk the foundation of each delicious scoop. Only the freshest, highest quality milk makes the cut. Next comes the vibrant fruit farms, bursting with the colors of the season. Imagine juicy strawberries glistening under the summer sun, their sweetness destined for strawberry ice cream. Picture plump mangoes, their tropical aroma hinting at exotic flavors to come. And let's not forget the humble sugarcane, its stalks heavy with sweet juice, a key ingredient in creating the perfect creamy texture. Every ingredient is carefully sourced, a testament to the factory's commitment to quality and authenticity. The transformation from simple ingredients to delectable ice cream is a carefully orchestrated dance. Inside the factory, massive stainless steel vats stand ready, their gleaming surfaces reflecting the dedication of the workers. It all starts with the precise blending of fresh milk, cream, and sugar. The mixture is gently heated, transforming it into a luscious custard base, the canvas for a masterpiece of flavor. The air fills with the intoxicating aroma of vanilla as it's carefully incorporated into the warm custard. Now comes the moment of truth, churning. The custard base is poured into massive freezers that spin continuously, whipping air into the mixture. Slowly but surely it begins to thicken, transforming into the smooth, creamy confection we all know and love. Section 5. A Korean twist unveiling unique delights. While the factory honors traditional ice cream making, it also embraces the unique flavors of Korea. Imagine the subtle, earthy notes of roasted barley ice cream, a taste that evokes childhood memories for many Koreans. Then there's the delicate sweetness of red bean ice cream, a popular flavor that reflects the country's love for this versatile legume. And for a truly adventurous palate, there's the unique and refreshing taste of mugwort ice cream, its herbaceous flavor a testament to Korea's culinary creativity. These aren't just flavors, they are stories, traditions and memories captured in a scoop. They represent the perfect marriage of Korean heritage and the universal love for a cool, sweet treat. Section 6. Scoops of History. fun facts, and frozen tales. Ice cream has a rich and fascinating history that spans centuries and continents. Did you know that Koreans consume an average of 14 liters of ice cream per person each year? That's a staggering amount considering the global average is much lower. This statistic is a testament to the nation's love affair with this frozen delight. Ice cream is more than just a treat, it's a cultural phenomenon that brings people together. Or that the factory once held a competition to create the most unusual ice cream flavor. This event drew in creative minds from all over, eager to push the boundaries of what ice cream could be. The winner? A surprisingly delicious kimchi ice cream. This unique flavor combined the spicy tang of kimchi with the creamy sweetness of ice cream, creating a taste sensation that was both unexpected and delightful. One particularly hot summer, the factory's ice cream production couldn't keep up with the demand. The sweltering heat had everyone craving a cold, refreshing treat. People were lined up down the block, eager to get their hands on a cool treat. The sight of long queues became a common scene, with everyone patiently waiting for their turn. The workers even started delivering ice cream by bicycle to keep up. This innovative solution ensured that everyone could enjoy their favorite flavors without having to wait too long. These stories, passed down through generations of workers, reveal the special place this factory holds in the hearts of the community. Each tale is a piece of the factory's rich tapestry, woven with memories of hard work, creativity, and joy. It's a place where laughter echoes through the halls, and every scoop is served with a smile. The camaraderie among the workers and their dedication to their craft make this factory more than just a place of production. It's a cornerstone of the community, where every cone and cup is filled with love and tradition. Section 7. Beyond the Scoop. A community's love affair. The impact of this factory extends far beyond its doors. It's a place where generations of families have shared their first ice cream cones, celebrated birthdays, and created lasting memories. The factory is also a major employer in the neighborhood, providing stable jobs and a sense of purpose to countless individuals. Many of the workers have dedicated their lives to the craft, passing down their knowledge and passion to younger generations. The factory sponsors local sports teams, hosts community events, and is always there to lend a helping hand. It's not just a business, it's a vital thread in the fabric of the community, its legacy woven into the very soul of the neighborhood. Section 8. The Future of Tradition, Carrying the Torch. As the factory enters its next 50 years, there's a sense of excitement for the future. The new generation, armed with modern technology and innovative ideas, is eager to honor the factory's legacy while embracing the changing times. Imagine new and exciting flavors inspired by global trends, all while staying true to the factory's commitment to using fresh, local ingredients. Picture a future where the factory utilizes sustainable practices, minimizing its environmental impact without compromising quality. The future is bright for this beloved institution. With its unwavering dedication to quality, community, and the simple joy of ice cream, it's poised to continue making history one delicious scoop at a time. Section 9. A Timeless Treat, The Enduring Magic. The sun begins to set, casting a warm glow over the factory. The golden hues of the evening sky reflect off the windows, creating a serene and almost magical atmosphere. It's a moment of calm, a brief pause before the night takes over. Inside, the machines slowly whir to a stop, their work complete for the day. The rhythmic hum of the machinery fades, leaving behind a peaceful silence. It's a silence that speaks volumes, a testament to the hard work and dedication that goes into every batch of ice cream. The scent of freshly made ice cream lingers in the air, a sweet reminder of the magic that unfolds within these walls. Each scoop is crafted with care, a blend of tradition and innovation. The aroma is a promise of the delightful flavors that await, a sensory invitation to indulge in a timeless treat. For 50 years, this Korean ice cream factory has been more than just a place of business. It's been a beacon of joy, a keeper of tradition, and a testament to the enduring power of a simple scoop of ice cream. Generations of families have worked here, passing down their skills and passion. The factory stands as a symbol of community, where every worker is part of a larger family, united by a shared love for creating happiness. As long as there are people who crave the sweet taste of happiness, this factory will continue to thrive, its legacy forever etched in the hearts and taste buds of generations to come. The joy of sharing a scoop of ice cream with loved ones, the smiles it brings, and the memories it creates are all part of the enduring magic. This factory is not just about making ice cream, it's about crafting moments of joy, one scoop at a time. And as the sun sets, we are reminded that some traditions are timeless, and some flavors are forever.